The word we'll be learning in this section is tan, which you will often hear in meetings, business discussions, or when brainstorming ideas. The word taeyang means proposal or suggestion in English. It's used when someone offers an idea or plan for consideration, often in a formal or business context. The first kanji means to present or offer something, like raising an idea for others to consider. In vocabulary, like teikyo, it carries the sense of offering or supplying something to someone. In teishitsu, it keeps that sense of handing something up to a person or organization for review. The second kanji means a plan or idea, a draft you think about before deciding. In words such as annai, it gives the meaning of a planned guide or information for others. In angai, it shows the nuance of an idea that goes beyond what was expected, giving a sense of surprise. I have a proposal. 私は提案がある。私は提案がある。I will make a suggestion. 私は提案をします。私は提案をします。I accept the proposal. 私は提案を受け入れます。私は提案を受け入れます。He considers the proposal. 彼は提案を検討する。彼は提案を検討する。The most common synonyms of the word team are teigi and teigen. Both words suggest the act of proposing something, but teigi is slightly more formal, similar to a motion or suggestion, often used in a formal assembly or debate setting, whereas teigen is more about giving advice or suggestions generally. As a result, team can be seen as a balance between these two, being apt in both formal and informal contexts. The most common antonyms of the word teiyang are kyohi and kyakka. Kyohi means rejection, indicating a flat refusal of a proposal or suggestion, while kyakka also means rejection and implies the idea was turned down, often after consideration. Both reflect a direct opposing action to making a proposal or suggestion, contrasting to taeyang that focuses on the act of proposing.